Alright guys, so I just did the bare minimum. I didn't set up my Apple ID, I didn't set up any of that stuff. I just went through the bare minimums. I installed the screen protector already as well. You really can't tell much of a difference in terms of the clarity. The new always on display is now showing here. That's a new feature that Apple has implemented with the new iPhone 14 Pros. Apple has finally brought always on display to the iPhone versus Android that's had it for like years now. Just a quick walkthrough with the phone. This phone is a fingerprint magnet. My fingerprints are showing all over the phones already, but that's expected, especially with the stainless steel finish. It's a great looking phone in general. The cameras are improved this year, and I think they look much bigger than the iPhone 13 Pro from last year. I'm gonna get my iPhone 13 Pro Max that I have here. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Camera lenses just get bigger and bigger every single year, from the 12 Pro to the 13 Pro and finally to the 14 Pro Max. They really get bulkier and bulkier by the year. Height-wise, everything is the same. The 12 Pro Max obviously is the lightest phone because the 13 Pro Max was when they really bumped up the battery capacity on the phones, and that's when they really got heavier. So color-wise, I did order another iPhone 14 Pro Max for my girlfriend. She got the silver model. I'll be getting that in a few weeks, and maybe I'll do a color comparison between the gold, the purple, and the white to help some of you who are having trouble deciding which color to buy this year. The notch is gone now. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. Which one would you prefer? Would you prefer the dynamic island versus the notch that's been on the old iPhones for the longest time? I really like the purple that they did this year. I actually have the purple leather watch band from last year. They pair very well with each other. I know I mostly do Tesla videos at the moment, but I actually am a really big tech person as well, and I love technology, so I'm planning to add some technology, mostly Apple videos, to my channel as well. I'm sure most people that like Tesla cars are also into technology just like myself. Comment down below if you guys like these kind of videos about tech and Apple. I also did buy the new Apple Watch Ultra Pro, whatever it's called. I should be getting that sometime next week when they release it, and I'll be doing some watch band videos on that and some comparisons to my Series 7 that I have from last year as well. So if all that sounds exciting, guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. Drop a like on the video if you thought this was informative, helpful, or entertaining whatsoever. I have a lot of exciting stuff planned for the phone, and I look forward to bringing you guys more content in the future. I really like this case, but so far I think this is a really good looking pair, and I'm gonna be using this to protect my phone while I wait for something else. And that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is David here signing off. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.